Welcome, in front of me is an HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And if you have one or don't, we're going to be doing this process the same way, which is by holding your power button and ignoring Google showing up. Continue holding it even once Google shows up. Typically you would have this Google listening to you kind of thing. You will get the boot options right here, and you want to select power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and after a moment of holding them you will see HONOR logo on a screen, and let's give it a moment. There we go. Once it disappears, you can let go of both of the buttons. This takes us to the recovery mode. So here, just select clear data and then select factory reset. As a confirmation, regardless of what screen lock you have, you just need to type in yes. There we go. You can see right here, it tells you what you need to type right here, and this is what you typed. Keep in mind, typing here is not as fast, so you need to kind of be slow about it. If you press it too fast, like I did, it's just gonna miss a letter. Anyway, from there, click on Factory Reset, and this begins resetting all the data. Now, this only gets to about 17% or so, and before it becomes automatically finished. Just give it a moment. There we go, so it got even to 16. So from here, we're gonna click on the back, and then restart. This will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is continuing the reset, it will take the device a little bit longer to boot back up, so don't worry, that is completely normal. Now, when the process is finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.